I think I'm currently live. It should be okay. No, but that's what I did. Here, So is it working? They start saying, "Oh, so I'm currently live, so everyone in the world can see myself. My name is Modi Ramak. I never say my name here, but oh, whoop whoop. I think it's okay. Let me check. Whoops, whoops. I can also type on the chat. Who? Hey, it's me. Do I see the number of viewer here? Spectateurs simultanés.
C'est pour ça que tu peux mettre ton propre live.
This is my live here.
Non, mais là, t'es en mode YouTube Studio.
No, no, no. I hear myself. This is the live.
Ouais, mais c'est YouTube Studio, c'est pas Studio.
And what's the
Mais
difference?
moi, c'est le vrai YouTube.
But here I have the same thing here.
Non, mais t'as pas les vues.
But here it should be written here. It's just like.
Je sais pas combien de gens il y a.
But apparently, it's after 10 minutes that it counts a viewer.
Ah ouais?
Yeah. So I think like we will. But I guess we can just start the stream now.
Moi, je pense pas. Hein. Moi, je suis connecté, j'ai vu quoi. Vraiment.
I don't think that no because it can reach 0, so it means like
Ouais.
So I'm not counted as a viewer. I'm pretty sure I'm not counted as a viewer. And there was also one person. Ah, here one. View. No, but here because it's on YouTube view. It's.
Moi, je vois 2.
Ah, same. You know, I just had to wait a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So we'll start the stream now. So it's going to be mainly in English. But if you are French and you don't really understand English, you can just speak in French. Donc pour la traduction, en gros, si vous êtes français, n'hésitez pas à poser vos questions en français. So, welcome everyone to this stream and to everyone here present and for all people that is going to watch the VOD. I'm not sure of the pronunciation. Welcome to you too, of course. So this is my first stream. I had the idea last week about this because I wanted to show you how I develop my game, and I think this is something that maybe some people would be interested in. Oh, I had to do something. I had to post the short. I had to post. I'm just going to post this on TikTok and. Let me just a minute. I'm going to post that I'm live. Okay. I had prepared this before, but apparently it's currently live. Live. Hop. Currently live on TikTok. Salut Camille, j'espère que tu vas bien. Attends, je vais juste prendre le temps de faire les stories. J'avais préparé ça en avance tout à l'heure et au final ça s'est enlevé, c'est une galère. Okay, so TikTok, it's okay. I'm also going to put here on currently live. Currently dev live streaming. Join. Zuelo could be your new best friend. Zuelo? I haven't heard of this. Is it like something that can just schedule some posts, some story? So I'm going to put the link up. Yes. Wow. You are the. I don't know why, but you have a crown, so it means like you're maybe like. What does the crown means? It's because you have like posted some comments. Ooh, your country first. Congrats. Your story. Okay. And on YouTube. And on YouTube. Sorry, the next time I will do it properly so that you don't have to wait this minute. Oh, and if you hear too much the person next to me, just tell it and I will tell them to shut it. Let's go, I'm done. I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Let's go. So, let me tell you what I want to do with this stream. So yeah, just to show you how I dev the thing. Maybe it can be interesting for some people that would like to know how a game is made, and maybe for some people that would like to know more about Unity. And I'm personally quite can I say that I am an expert? I don't know. I've been working on Unity. I can show you Unity. Up, look at the screen. So this is the tool that I'm using to make the games. This is a game engine. There's two main game engine, Unity and Hello Twinner, qui est juste là. So you have two main game engine, maybe three now. Unity, the other one is Unreal Engine, and the third one, which is Godot. And I've been working on Unity since, I don't know, I started like in high school, inside the house of Twinner, which is with us here, I remember. So I know quite a bit, and I've been working professionally as a developer since, I don't know, like 6 years ago. So yeah, so if you have any question on how to use Unity, don't hesitate to ask me the question. I also wanted to test some games, so indie game, so on this kind of stream. But I'm still not sure yet. It will depend on how the stream go. But yeah, it would be a nice idea. I would like to play some game with you. I'm so small. Let me. Am I small? Can I just maybe I can make myself a bit bigger? Am I too big now? I don't know. Waouh, Talia-chan, salut! Ouais, ça me fait plaisir que tu sois là. Talia-chan is someone I met on TikTok, and she's super nice, and you should see what she's doing because it's nice. And apparently, she's also making a game. Je disais, si tu veux poser des questions en français, n'hésite pas. Ouais, enfin, raconte-moi un peu comment ça se passe de votre côté, si tu le souhaites. Moi, je vais faire une petite présentation du jeu, mais toi, tu le connais déjà pas mal vu que tu suis les vidéos depuis le début. Euh, et puis, je vais raconter un peu des choses que j'ai pas dit en vidéo non plus. So I'm also going to tell you some stories about like the game. So what I am doing currently is I've been working on this game since 6 months ago. A bit more than 6 months, 6 months and a half. The plan at first was to release the game after 6 months, and with no surprise, it failed because way for the kind of game that I'm doing, it's like way too difficile. Est-ce que vous pouvez me dire à quel point vous entendez les personnes qui sont à côté de moi, s'il vous plaît? pour voir à quel point ça dérange ou non. Je sais pas en fait, si ça se trouve, on vous entend pas trop. On est un peu moins avancé que toi, mais on est sur Unity aussi. Bah ouais, si vous avez des questions à poser, franchement, moi je serais ravi de vous aider. Vous êtes combien là pour l'instant? Je suppose que tu m'as dit que vous étiez une petite équipe, et je suis désolé, j'ai pas suivi toutes tes vidéos, donc j'ai pas trop regardé. Um, and yeah, so I've been working on this game for a little bit more than 6 months, and I made like some quite progress, obviously. But like it's going way slower than I expected. But it's also because I want to polish it. Because like when I saw the first images of the game, I was like, okay, this can become something big, you know. So you can see the screen here. I will make myself a bit smaller. I don't know if I'm too big or not. We'll see. So let me show you what the current state of the game currently is. This is a narrative game. So it means like there's not really a lot of gameplay. This is focused on the story because I had like so many things to say. So I wanted to tell a story. The theme is about self-sacrifice. This is something that is really important to me because you know, like I was always the one who like put myself aside with some people, and it didn't really bother me because I'm happy like to make some other people happy, even more because they are my friends. But you know, like I feel like some people in general we shouldn't have to self-sacrifice. We can always find some solution to be for that everyone is happy. But well, um that's why I wanted to create a story about this. So the story is about a character. It's not a human. That this character was created to save the world, and she she ne- she never really decided for her. She never really decided to save the world. Was something that was decided by someone else, and she is, yeah, because okay, let me tell you the story from the beginning. Something that I never told on my video on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So, just a minute before this, I'm going to read the Talia Chan comment. Sans qu'on n'ait pas beaucoup pour l'instant, on a démarré à 3. On va évoluer avec la production en fonction de ce qu'on a besoin. On a un dev qui est censé nous rejoindre en plus bientôt aussi. On entend bien, t'inquiète. Ok, super. On va évoluer avec la production. Ok, cool. Bah, en vrai, je serais carrément chaud qu'on en discute un peu plus si on a commencé. Là, on a commencé avec un dev, moi, Ankara et un 3D artiste. On a Rig, un animateur qui viendra. Donc, on va tranquille. Là, c'est plus à moi de taffer sur les modèles 3D. Ah ouais, mais t'as de l'expérience aussi en modèle 3D ou non? Bah, en fait, en tout cas, c'est toujours super cool ce que vous faites. Je suis vraiment curieux de ce que vous faites, donc je suis carrément chaud qu'on en rediscute un peu plus si tu le souhaites. So let me tell you the story about the cost of salvation. This is the name of the games I'm currently doing, and so this is a heroic. This is set in a heroic fantasy world, like pretty much like Lord of the Ring, you know, with magic, dwarves, elves, and and the planet where the story is set is broken currently, and it's not turning anymore. And because it's not turning any, and because it's not turning, we have like one half of the planet which is like completely frozen. So no one can, and frozen and dark, so no one can live inside, and like no animals, no living beings can live here. And on the other half, it's pretty much the same thing, but it's like the face that is faced towards the sun. So it's like a burning hell, and so we only have like a line on the planet which is livable, and when people can live. And so some people decided to fix this So we had a gathering of the best scientists of the world, best scientists and magicians of the world, and they gathered around one special place, which is the place of the World Tree. The place of the World Tree, which is connected to the center of the world. And to fix this, they had like to find a solution, and the solution was building a vessel to to gather it- uh, to to gather some mana and to inject it to the planet to make it turn. So that was how our character that you can see here was created. The thing is, she was created, but she didn't. She wasn't created with. She wasn't created with the intention to have feelings, to have sentience. She was just a tool to make the planet work. So she had like some kind of routine where for 1 year she had for 20 years 15 sorry for 15 years she had to gather the magic, and she had after this to put it in the world tree for 76 years. So it means like during these 76 years, she cannot move anymore, and she is stuck in the tree. And so the dramatic thing about this is that she is gaining sentient after 1,000 years of doing her task. She is doing it. She is doing it without thinking because she didn't have a mind. The thing is, I don't know. I don't know. We didn't know at this moment what happened, but she gained sentience. She learned to be self-aware, and that's what happened. That is the beginning of the game. Let me show you the beginning of the game. So, no, I'm not going to do it. Yeah, the UI here is not definitive, obviously. This is something that I made with ChatGPT, but you know, like it's really not that great. Oh yeah, the game is also in French. But of course, I'm going to put more languages in this. And yeah. So just a minute. Donc ouais, à la base, en fait, je suis très 3D artiste. Ah ouais, bah ouais, donc tu connais bien tout ça. Un peu au chonton, je connais pas ce mot, je suis désolé, mais voilà, mais carrément, on discute quand tu veux. Ben franchement, je t'enverrai un petit message. Déjà, ça me fait, oh, pardon, ça me fait vraiment plaisir que tu sois là en tout cas. Parce qu'en plus, il est quand même assez tard, enfin assez tard pour certaines personnes, pas tant que ça. Moi, perso, je me couche vraiment beaucoup plus tard que ça, donc c'est pour ça que j'ai décidé de le faire à 22 heures. Mais voilà. Okay, so let me show you the game, the beginning of the game. So let's press on new game. Maybe I can put it. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the game. There's no sound here currently, but tell me if after this you can hear something. I'm going to put it in big to show you how it is. Maybe am I too big? Maybe I can put it. Ça fait plaisir aussi de voir ton avancée. Bah ouais, merci franchement d'être là depuis le début. Ça, clairement, je te donnerai une petite clé du jeu parce que tu le mérites. Merci en tout cas. So new game. Let's put new game. Wow. I think it's bugging. Wow. Okay. So this is like I tested it earlier, so I don't know what happened. Okay, I found a bug, but if I reset it, it should be okay, I guess. Oh, ah, yeah, I know why. It's just like because I didn't start with the correct scene. Okay. So with the home scene here. Ouais, trop bien, moi j'allais acheter comme tout le monde, t'inquiète en vrai. Ah, franchement, ça me fait plaisir aussi d'être dans la wishlist. Merci, et merci de le mettre dans la wishlist. Yeah, it really helps me if you can put the game in the wishlist. So if you can do this, it will be nice. Okay, so let's start a new game. So the first act, maybe I'm going to write something else except of act one. So this is what is happening. So she woke up, and this is the first time that she gains sentience, and she thinks. So of course she is bewildered. She is like she doesn't know where she is. She doesn't know what is her purpose. So yeah, what is this place? We don't have a name here for now. Can you tell me if you hear the sound of the game? This tree, it has a name. Iggy. So this is Iggy, which is clearly a reference for Yggdrasil, which is in the Nordic mythology, the war tree, the tree that is. Non, tant que toi pour le coup. Yeah, I will try to find something for the sound next, but this is not really important. So yeah, Iggy, Yggdrasil. And and yeah, you feel not the same. And yeah, you can, so because this is an RT game, there's not really a lot of gameplay. You can just move the character on left and right. This is also something that I wanted to change, you know, like this wisp here. Because it's not currently, yeah, it's not perfect yet. Like it's disappearing likely, but I would like to do like a fade. Ouais, Iggy c'est Choupi, c'est aussi le nom d'une de mes plantes. Some kind of fade for this wisp. And yeah, you can interact with element here. The space for more the Ostone. So yeah, this is the story of the game. So this is what you can do. There's not a lot of gameplay, but what you can do is during some dialogue you will have some choices to do, and depending on the choice that you're going to make, the next of the next of the game is going to be different. The end is going to be different. The characters you're going to befriend are going to be different. So it all depends on the choices that you make. Je me rappelle plus la dernière fois que j'ai nommé un cactus, il a mal tourné, j'ai arrêté après. Wow, un cactus qui a mal tourné, t'es forte. C'est vrai, t'es vraiment très forte. En tout cas, très jolie ambiance. Ouais, 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 yeah. I really like the scene for now. I created myself this kind of thing. Ah, yeah, because I'm not the one who did the art. You can find the artist in the description here. So I'm really happy to have him working on this game because he's doing an amazing work. And yeah, also, if you want to know something about game development, is you know, this is maybe some people know it, but this is the famous make it. What was it? Like make it exist first, and don't make something beautiful. Make it exist first. Yeah, the idea here is to. It's not. It doesn't really matter if your game is beautiful at first. You just like to develop the feature of the game, and after you are going to polish it. So everything that you see here is the first version of it. For example, I had some comment about the animation which feel a bit clunky apparently. Um, I can understand why some people would say that the animation feel a bit clunky, especially around the legs, but personally I find it okay. But of course, we did this for the first version, and we'll see, and we'll polish it after. Make it exist first, we can make it better later. Exactly. Wow. Fortunately, Tabiashan is here to save my butt. So yeah, looking better later. I've been here before, haven't I? So yeah, everything that you interact here, you will have a different interaction after. Okay. So maybe I can tell you. Uh, yeah, I prepared also something else. I can show you my other screen, which is this one. Wow, look at this. Like I prepared something. I did not finish to write it because I wanted to do it um before you. Ah yeah, so you here you can wishlist the game on Steam. So if you could do that, it would be nice. Thank you. You just have like to press this button here. Ajouter à liste de souhaits in English is like add to wishlist. And yeah, so let's go back to this whiteboard. So my game is separated into this four, in fact, five different kind of type of scene. So the first one is the main scene. So this is like the mandatory scene. Mandatory, it depends on the route you are. Like mandatory scene, depending on your depending on your path on your path. So yeah, this is the main scene, pretty self-explanatory. And you have like some side scene which will really depend on what are the choices you made. Like I mean, like in the main scene, like this is for the main story, and the side scene, like there are some scenes that you're not going to see, depending on your choice. Scene depending on your choice. At first, I wanted like some side scene to appear if you, depending on how you move your character during the free roam session. But I think for now I will not do it. I will see. I will see later how I do this. So the free roam that I was talking about is like where the character can play, the character, where the player can move the character, can move the character and explore the world. Maybe I should put some color here to make this title a bit more obvious. Red, red. Here, yellow. We run blue. I don't know what I am doing. I'm just putting like some random color here. Red, green, interlude, yeah. And we have like this scene interlude. Excalibur, on la teste quand on a voulu voir tous ensemble le type de jeu qu'on voulait faire, mais on a fait sous forme de bulle avec mots-clés. No, ouais, but I'm using Excalibur here because I just wanted something where I can show you how to type. Well, I can directly type on this. Maybe I could have used something else, but I don't know. C'est clairement que le jeu, mais ça s'améliore. Yeah, I'm doing what I can, okay? I'm not like an artist, I'm a developer, you can... I'm not doing something beautiful. Okay, so interlude, this is like something that are between like some like passive. Oh, it's green. Okay, so interlude are more passive, short scene where you can like see sometimes where the time passes also. So yeah, I have this 4 different scene. I have actually another one, but you're going to discover it in the game. And this is how it works. And one, I have 3 acts for my game. And so this act are inside this act we have like this kind of scene. And for the first act we have 16 scene. And I have finished implementing, I don't know, maybe 7, 6. I'm not really sure. I can just check, but I think for now I have 3, 6, 7 scenes done. And it's going to be like way quicker after. It's just like I'm waiting for some animation and for the and for asset. So what I'm going to do today in this live is I'm going to implement a free roam with a free roam scene for you, not for you, with you. Sorry. Because this is like the simplest kind of scene to do. So maybe let's dive into it. I'm just going to check if I didn't forget anything that I wanted to talk about. Ah, yeah, in this kind of stream, I also wanted to maybe like give some shiny Pokemon because I gather like a lot of shiny Pokemon, and I would like maybe to give to some people. But I don't know, this is going to be later. First, I want to do like some dev live stream, and after test some indie games. Those are my 2 priorities. So if you have an indie game that you would like me to play, don't hesitate to, and I will do it, of course. Okay, cool. So I've talked about the story of the game. It's done. Okay, cool. So I think we can just go directly into the implementation of the scene. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, I'm just going to quit the current game. So in my game, you can see here the different scenes that I have. It's Act 1, and you have like this letter, the FR for free roam. Main scene. Oh shit! Shoot! You saw the last scene, but it's okay. You didn't see anything, right? So I have all this in here, and today I'm going to do the free roam too. So let me maybe I can explain you how it works. So the first here, not something, yeah, just the current act, the type of scene, and the index. You have like the main character here, because I don't know, maybe you're going to be able to play another character later. We will see. The starting key location that the scene is starting on, and if the character is holding something, like currently on the act 1, the character is holding the wooden statue. You will see it in the game, and in which hand the character is going to hold this. We have like also like the big title. We will see. Yeah, the big titles. The big title was just like when you saw the act 1 I have shown earlier. uh, and sometimes I put something like 3 months after. So this is like if I want to put a big title here, I put it here, and after like yeah. So these are the interactive element. So because in almost all scene you're going to have some element that you can interact with. So I'm putting them all to know if we display it on this current scene or not. And after here, we have like some cinematic trigger. So it means like, for example, if the character reaches this location here, we are going to we are going to trigger this scene. So this scene, this cinematic, sorry. So this is like a cinematic where Elu, the main character Elu, is thinking. Like I put like, I'm spoiling you a lot. It's written Elu, but at first she didn't have a name because of course she didn't exist, and she didn't know anyone. But it's okay. So interactive element required. I don't know if I should go deeper on this. Maybe later if you are interested. Some people are interested. I can go more. Here are the NPC characters that are present in the scene. The transition. So like for example here, if the character go to the right but has not. On fera comme si on savait pas comment découvre le jeu. Exactement, exactement. Tu te fais vraiment spoil là, Talia. So this yeah, to go to the next scene on the right. So if we go to the right, we're going to another scene which is the wind shrine, and we have to interact with this element before being able to go on the right. And that's pretty much it. Like I have like some audio here. Oh yeah, some audio here. So one audio for each scene, and the scene version, because like you can have a scene with when sunny, rainy, or snowy. No, snowy. I didn't do any snow for now. So this is how I config this. I did it all by myself, like a big boy. I'm a big man. Wow, I'm so strong. Wow. So I did everything here. So what I need to do is to implement this cinematic. So I'm going to open the scene till you head out. So this is this scene, and I'm going to remove this one. And so it means like I have to set up a cinematic. I have like some here. Il faut se le dire des fois. Ouais, ouais, ouais. En vrai, j'ai assez confiance en moi en général. Je fais attention de ne pas trop prendre la tête évidemment, mais je pense que avoir une confiance en soi c'est pas mal parce qu'en fait du coup je me dis que je suis capable de faire des choses. This is important, and I'm also going to say it in English. I feel like it's important to have like self-confidence. This is something that are obviously hard to have because it depends on the environment you grew up is, it depends on what you do. But I really believe that in general people should gain some confidence. And I'm pretty confident in myself because like I know objectively that I'm doing like a good job as a developer. At first I was not, of course, but like I started from nothing. Like it's for everything you start being bad. And this is after some training, like you keep in your mind that okay, I can do this, I will reach it, and after some point, after some experience, after some training, you're going to reach it. I'm going so yeah. I'm going so some motivation talk. So yeah, I wasn't planning on doing it, but this is something important. So sometimes I like to say that I am strong, even like mostly I think it, but just like it gave me like the strength to go to move forward, you know. Okay, let's go back. Self motive talk we needed. Yeah. Yeah, I have like a lot of topics to say to talk. Like I have so many things to tell to the world, and that's why I'm currently making a game because I wanted to show people my point of view about self-sacrifice, about what I think of it. So yeah, so FR2 and the name of the thing what Edu thinks. So what is going to happen here? It's like it's not going to do anything complicated. So I'm putting here uh, if you think I'm just going to pass this because I have another scene like this. So I'm going to put it in the right folder and I don't have the right folder. Let me create it. Ah! No, okay. This is I didn't misclick. Woo! So Arius thinks a little bit creative meme en dev. um, FR2 here. I'm going to put it in this slot. So what I do here is I put so this object I here as the object that you see here in the timeline. So what I want for this cinematic, so the timeline is the tool that I'm using to create cinematics. So this is like maybe I can show you. I did show this in one of I did show this in one of my videos, but maybe I can show you it here again. Ah, tu fais les mêmes bruits que moi en 3D quand je fais une connerie. Je sais pas quel bruit j'ai fait, j'avoue que je fais des bruits assez chelous dans la vraie vie en général, ouais. Okay, I can show you like a cinematic, like I'm going to load a game here. Maybe this interlude 2? No, not this one. Free roam, main scene 2, maybe we're going to have a cinematic. Yeah, we're going to have a cinematic here. So if I travel here, okay. So let's pause this. Ça doit être une déformation professionnelle des métiers du game, je vois que ça. Bah ouais, carrément, ouais. Je pense. Alors. So I hope my English is understandable because I have a strong accent, so I hope you English speaker are going to be forgetful. I don't know. I know forgivable. Wow, I don't know. I hope you're going to forgive my English, but I think it's okay. I'm working every day in English, so I hope that I am understandable. Ça me rappelle les cinématiques de Harvest Moon un peu, c'est mignon. Ah, Harvest Moon. Harvest Moon is like one of the best game ever. I played this game so much when I was young. And so Harvest Moon, like I think, like Stardew Valley, which is like a big hit, was um not like a copycat because it's quite different, but like I think they based their game on Harvest Moon. And yeah, it's great. Like this is the foundation for all cozy farming games that we have here. And yeah, Harvest Moon is great. So if you haven't played this game, play it. Harvest Moon is great. So what is the current scene? Oh, it is this one. So it means like I have like some lines here, and so the cinematic is going to follow here. So for example, for all objects that are active here, it's going to be active once it reaches point. So for example, if we reach this point here, this door is not going to be displayed anymore. So let's roll a bit this cinematic here. Yeah, so here it stopped because we are in a cinematic. We are in a dialogue. And whew, and yeah, it's black here, but it's going to be filled at some point, of course. And yeah, so I deactivated the old door here, so that's why we don't see anything, because the door has fallen. And yeah, so we continue like this. So this is how I make a cinematic. Oh, like I had a dialogue here. Ok. Harvest Moon a changé de nom en Story of Season à cause de droits, il paraît, au cas où pour les remakes. Mais mon best Harvest Moon sur ma DS, j'ai tellement joué. Ah, mais moi j'ai joué. Moi j'ai joué sur émulateur. Et sur émulateur, je sais plus c'était sur quelle console, mais j'avais joué à quel Harvest Moon? Je sais absolument pas. Harvest Moon. Home Sweet Home? Non, c'était pas celui-là, c'était un plus vieux. Wonderful Life, maybe? Harvest Moon, Wonderful Life. Ah, no, 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 it's not a Wonderful Life. I don't remember it. But yeah, I played the Harvest Moon where uh, some some elves. It was elf. No, I'm not really sure it was elf. I think it was more like some, yes, maybe some elves. Some, yeah, some elf who could help you to water some plants with you. Ouais, encore tu te fais encore spoil. Bon, ça va, ça c'était pas non plus un énorme spoil. But I didn't know that the new name of Harvest Moon was Story of the Season. I saw that it was a completely different game, but it's nice to know. Thank you for this information. I'm not sure that some people... Sur DS, les lutins des récoltes. Est-ce que c'était sur DS? Peut-être qu'il y a des lutins, peut-être qu'il y a des lutins sur plusieurs jeux aussi. Bref, merci. So yeah, that's a cinematic. So let's go back to the implementation, because otherwise we're not going to finish it. So I'm streaming. How long have you been streaming? 43 minutes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So yeah, let's progress. I'm yapping a lot. I'm yapping a lot. So here, what I want is just to trigger a dialogue. So let's just do this. I have like here a dialogue controller here. I'm putting here it, and I have already the correct signal. So the correct signal is start dialogue 1. So it means like when the cinematic is triggered, we're going to trigger a dialogue, and that's what I want. That's what I want, and here I'm going to put it the dialogue here, and I have to say in for which cinematic I want. So I've put like this name here, and I just drag and drop the timeline. Oui, je pense sur plusieurs jeux. Désolé, j'ai fait divaguer. Non, mais t'inquiète, ça fait le plaisir. Si c'est pour parler d'Harvest Moon, c'est cool. Je vais mettre ma capuche parce que moi, je suis un homme de la nuit. Regardez-moi. I'm a hacker man. Oh, I'm totally. This is totally the meme. Maybe I can show you now. I don't think that I can show so many things on Twitch. But Hackerman, Mr. Robot, let's go. So let's go back to the free roam too. So the free roam, I have a save on the free roam here. Up, up, up. Yes. Are you sure you want to load? Okay. Parents are who met you. Okay. So it's launching the the right dialogue. I already put this one. But we're going to put the new dialogue in the system afterward. Don't worry, we're going to make it together. Maybe someone like that left something at the rune shrine. Okay, okay, and now the character can move. Ooh, she's moving, and and yeah, she can interact. Where you see this, it means like the character can interact with the element. So if I press the E button, oh, yeah, there's not like a lot of control, but I don't know if I want to do this. But you can also play it with the controller here. But I haven't plugged it yet. So yeah, these are the only controls that you need for the game. C'est satisfaisant quand même. Yep. So yeah, when you press E, yeah, still move a bit, but it doesn't fall anymore. Yeah, because we just saw the door fallen. The door fallen. Wow. Yeah, we just saw the door previously fall. Oh la galère. But it doesn't fall anymore. In any case, it doesn't fall anymore. And I have something else. What I wanted to do is I'm currently having a bug. Oh, this is something and I never done before, and I wanted to do it with you. Apparently, like I have an error here. Let us check what is happening. I can show you a bit of code maybe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is going like to burn some eyes for people that are going to ask, but what are you doing? This is like really like some the dev language, you know? So aeroplane animation name. So apparently we tried to play this animation, but it doesn't exist. Well, it was. Yep. Let's remove it. Up. Animation not found, but I didn't try to play this animation, so I don't really know what's happening now. What animation name? Let's try again. Let's try again to see what's happening. Okay. Current arrow made you. Okay, cool. Yeah, what I wanted to do is I wanted to interact with this because I never did put a character into as an interactive element before. So this is the first. I didn't try this, but maybe I can make it work with you. So I have here, and let's check on the scene the box collider. So the box collider is like uh what you need, like the current character and this one. You can see that there's two box collider, and when it's going to collide, something is going to happen. And Kid here, and he's supposed to have like something in the code that make it make him interactable. Si tu me mets le doute, et j'ai fait une fac d'anglais, j'en peux plus. Non, mais en vrai, normalement, je suis quand même c'est assez bon en anglais. Et là, j'avoue, sur ce genre de truc, des fois, tu bugs. Bref, but it's the same thing. Like, you can make some mistake in English, but I think like most French people are also doing like a lot of French. This is something also that we people in France in particular, we have to get rid of. We are being so shy in English, like, oh, I'm so bad, I have a bad accent. I just did this at the beginning of the stream, but really, like, I think like people don't mind as long as you are understandable. You can just speak, like, just gain confidence and just like like it is easy. Just do it, and at some point you're going to speak in English as you speak in French, I guess. So yeah, but I don't know if I should fix this now because it's 48 minutes and I don't want like to the stream to be too long. Um, uh, I have like some girls next to me. Pourquoi est-ce que vous dormez pas, vous? Mais c'est pas grave, là c'est le moment de dormir. C'est pas grave si maman elle est pas là. Comme ça, vous avez peur, vous êtes deux. Je suis désolé, en plus je peux pas m'occuper de vous parce que je suis en train de streamer. Donc là je suis assez occupé en fait, donc je peux pas trop m'occuper de vous. Désolé, j'ai pas trop envie de parler de ma vie privée, mais en gros j'ai des enfants là. Enfin j'ai des enfants, c'est pas mes enfants, mais bon bref, on n'en parle pas trop. On va louper le sujet. So what's happening? So when I do this, so it doesn't really interact with him. Nothing's happening. You can see it with the wisp is not appearing, but it means like the interaction is not happening. Let's try to see what's happening. So I will show you a bit here the code more. So what I'm going to do is what I'm supposed to set here is interactable. This should be interactable. This should be interactable. Let's check what's happening. Is interactable? Apparently it's not. Yeah, you can see here like the checkbox is not checked. So it means it's not interactable. What's happening? What is happening? So what are the conditions for it to be interactable? Interactive element. Up. I think it's quite hard to think properly. Ah. I think I know what it that EO is interactable, and we have here up. I'm going to show the source of this. If I'm taking too long, I'm just going to switch to another thing. Don't worry, you're not going to see this line, this line coming from hell. You're not going to see it that often. If is interactable, okay, let's check. It should be the case. It should be interactable. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're going to restart the game. We're going to restart the game and see if this going to the code is going through here. I don't know, maybe you would prefer to see. Okay. Upload game, load again. And it's not stopping. It's not stopping here. It's weird. Like we can I think it's quite hard to think while streaming, so I think I will just move on. If we have time at the end, maybe I will go back to this, but let's just let's just move forward. So what I want to be able to go left, and currently it's not possible. It's not possible because in the config that I did here, I didn't set I should have set something. No, I didn't set anything, and that's the reason why it's not working. It's loading a lot. Okay, it should be better like this. So so key location transition. We are in TU head out. I want when it's going to go left, I want to go to the root outskirt, and it's because I haven't interacted with the TU kid. It's because I couldn't make it work. I did not really try, to be honest, but yeah, I couldn't make it work here. So I'm just going to remove it for now. And if I remove it, now I should be able to go to the next scene. Go to the root outskirts. This is the name of the thing. Like, what's happening? What's happening? Oh yeah, I still have some bugs, but I didn't try to fix the bug for now because I was just focused on making the game. Okay, it's working. Okay, so I have to interact with this door, and after I will be able to move left. And after I move left, we are going. Yeah, we have an autosave. So if you go to save here, the yeah, I put a system when every time the player is moving to another scene is going to be saved. Because I think like currently in some famous games that we have, especially for narrative one, we have like a lot of autosave, and you shouldn't need to reload a game that often, especially with this kind. So I think like an autosave would be pretty convenient. Like for example, like I played recently Split Fairer, and yeah, it's like for always an autosave. It means like you can just quit the game anytime you want and just go back, and that's it. So yeah, so here, yep. I don't know if I can interact with this yet because I am not sure I have set them up. Yeah. It's not working because I haven't set the dialogue in the scene. So let's do this. I will show you how I put a dialogue in the game. So let me show you. Ouais, maintenant c'est beaucoup des autosaves comparé à dans le temps où il fallait trouver des points de sauvegarde. Bah ouais. Ouais, surtout pour les jeux narratifs, on en a pas trop besoin, quoi. Donc ouais, je me suis dit que ça allait être pratique. Là, je fais beaucoup de sauvegarde parce que je suis en train de tester, mais normalement, le joueur, il aura pas trop à faire ça, quoi. Ok, so we're going to another something new. Hop, this one. So this is where I put all my dialogue. You can see the tag here. The tag here is mean like we're going to have a different style for this monologue. So it means like it's going to be in italic and maybe like the chord is going to be a bit different. So it means like I want to show people that the character is thinking. It's not talking. So just like the dialogue that you saw earlier in the cinematic, parents are who met you. Maybe someone like that left something at the rune shrine. This is the dialogue that we couldn't make it work, but we will do it at the end of the stream. And this is dialogue until you hit outdoor. C'est cool de voir comment tu prépares les dialogues. Bah, yeah, this is something that are pretty universal. I think like most games are doing this. Maybe some now with AI we have like some automatic translation. But I think like this translation is really it's really good, of course. But you still have to make some adjustment because of some I don't know some name. Like for example here we have the rune shrine and it's like I still want to put this in caps lock and I don't know, or maybe like I would want another name for the translation, I don't know. But this is like the ways that have been done for years. So I think it's still working. Let's do this. So now I just want like to add the dialogue for the other items that was like old bird nest. So I'm using Notion, but I'm not going to show it to you because I have also some private information on this. But yeah, I'm just going to copy paste the dialogue. So someone waited here, up here, just copy paste, and nothing serious. Up, we have this line. So now I just have to write here the name of the interactive environment, which is Old Bird Nest. Yep. And the zero here is because if I ever want to have a different kind of dialogue after interacting with the first one, so for example, if at the first interaction we show this dialogue, maybe I would like to want a different dialogue if the player interact with it again. So yeah, here and so I'm going to put translation so I can do it myself, but I know I don't know if this is a good thing or not, but I'm just using DeepL. I'm just using DeepL and because it's pretty accurate, and after this if I want to change it that's what I do. So hop, copy paste. Mais rien ne vint, but nothing came. Mais rien ne vint. Wow, this is a tense that we don't really use that much in French, le passé simple. Mais rien ne vint, est-ce que c'est correct? Would it be correct here? Mais rien ne vient. Mais rien n'est venu? I don't think like rien ne vint, it's maybe like too formal, I guess. Mais rien n'est venu? I think rien n'est venu would be better. Yep, yep. Mais rien ne vint. Hop, bah c'est un peu fatidique. Fatidique là. En fait, il y a un peu de délai, donc mais, je sais plus de quoi exactement tu parlais. C'est un peu fatidique. Rien ne vint. Ouais, oui, fatidique, ok, rien ne vint. Ouais, ça fait carrément genre le personnage. Le personnage il fait une annonce de fou. Mais rien. Quelque chose attendait ici. Mais rien ne vint. Pour ne vint. Ouais. T'as raison. Okay, so I have another element in this scene, which is okay. This dialogue, a heart carved in wood, it must have meant something. And I don't remember the name of this. Let's go back. Let's go back to this. What was the name of the element? It Mira proof of love. Voilà, it's so long. Mira proof of love. And if I make a mistake here, it's not going to work. Mira proof of love, and it's cap sensitive. So if I forget the cap, the game is going to be destroyed. Everything is going to be annihilated. Up. Recently, I've been watching some streamer or so. Recently, like it's been 4 months that I'm watching like some VTuber. I don't know if you've heard of this. It's like a streamer with virtual model. It's mostly anime, I guess. And because I like anime so much, and I don't know, like I've been falling into the rabbit hole of Hololive. I like it so much. Like every time I'm working, I'm putting a stream on it, and this is also maybe what was the trigger for me to do this stream. I'm yapping a lot. Like, tell me if if I'm talking too much, guys. You can't stop me, you know. A heart carved in wood. So, Deeple, un cœur sculpté dans le bois. Ouais, ça me paraît assez bon, ouais. Ensuite, it must have meant something. Cela devait avoir une signification. Oh, ça passe, hein. It's okay, I guess. Okay, let's continue. What do you have still? We have the pedestal. Pédestal. Piédestal. Hop. Pédestal. Pédestal. En fait, quand je fais ça, je vois pas les commentaires. Ça. Alors, ok. Pedestal, the same place. I don't have like that much, so it's not going to take that long. The same place. But it doesn't feel like before. I'm going to be a bit quicker. Don't worry, guys. Okay. Up here. The face is worn, but the eyes are careful. So this is for the rune doll. The first glyph is glowing like it wants me to remember. Okay. 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 So this is the. I don't know if I kept the rune doll as name, and apparently no, I just put doll. The doll. Up. The doll here, and the glowing. I think it was the first glyph. Okay, first glyph. It's kind of fun, this kind of stream. To be honest, I'm having some fun streaming. I don't know if it's like, I think like most people here are just my friend or family, but still, I'm having fun. It's great. Life is great. I love life. So let's continue. Deep Hull. Au même endroit. I'm definitely going to do more stream like this. I don't know if I'm really productive because I think like I would have been quicker by myself, but you know, it's nice to have some company. But the eyes are careful. I'm I'm really like surprised by how much I talk. Like my throat is a bit it's not hurting, but it's like I feel my throat. And I'm going to drink some water. Drink some water, people, because it's really important. Okay, Ars translation correct. The same place au même endroit, but it doesn't feel like before. Mais ce n'est plus comme avant. Yes, the face is worn. Le visage est marqué. Marqué? Non, c'est pas ça. The face is. Mais les yeux sont prudents. But even like in English, but the eyes are careful. No, I think like you know what I wrote first was maybe not great. I should change it. The face is worn. I wanted to put like worn, like it's usé. Le visage est usé. Worn. Usé. Est-ce que usé ce serait le bon mot? Usagé, usé, non, mais usé, je sais pas, le visage. No, I think I'm just going to put not only the face, but I think the whole doll is la poupée. Mais even usé, it's still a bit weird. La poupée usée. Et les yeux, qu'est-ce que je voulais dire? I don't remember what I wanted to say with the eyes. Mais les yeux sont prudents, non? But the eyes are. I'm going to change it after. I'm just going to put a note. Change it after. Let's just move forward. It's growing, ça brille, like it wants me to. Comme s'il voulait. Comme si. Comme si. Comme si. Comme si. Mais c'est un objet. It's an object, so. Comme s'il voulait que je m'en souvienne. Comme si ça voulait. Non, comme si le voulait, ça marche. Un livre, comme si le livre voulait. Ah non, mais en fait, on peut dire il. Ok, ça marche. Wow, I'm so bad in French. Okay, do we have like some more? I have like three more. I have three more. Okay, let's go. Let's do it quickly. Up, but now it feels wrong. You know, usually when I'm doing this, because you know this is the first version of the text that I have here, so it's not the final version. So I should definitely change this at some point. It's the one from the shrine. Okay, let's go up, up, up. Okay, it's still wrong. This is the pond, and that's it. After this, we're going to go back to Unity. Pond. I don't know if I put the pond. No, I think I put pond. Up, up, up. And after this, for this one, it's Iggy's bark. But Iggy's bark, I removed Iggy's bark before. It's not Iggy's bark anymore, and I removed the vine after. We have the off stone, of course, but we don't have this anymore. The shape, so it feels heavier, like I think I'm going to remove this line also. It's not really needed. Up, up. Okay, okay. And this is like the last interactive element, which is the O stone. This is O stone. Okay, okay, okay. Two. So let's make deeper work a bit. I know that my English is good. I have an accent, I said, but I have so much trouble with the R. I don't know how to pronounce R. Like working. I'm working on this game. I'm working on this game. I don't know. I don't know. C'est celui du sanctuaire. It's the one from the sanctuaire. It's not the sanctuary. It's from the shrine, which is the temple. Celui du temple. Okay, let's go. We have this. And now that I have this, we're going to go back to Unity. Let's go. Let's do it. Unity for the win. Okay, so I have like another tool which is this for the dialogue. Just a minute. I have like to update, like, you know, I had this shit. No, not this shit. I had this shit. But I need like to update this into Unity. So I just did, and you just didn't see it because I intentionally have hidden this because I had the private key. And here I can put all the dialogues that I want. So so I'm just going to put like some new dialogue. So here I have no, I forgot something. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. Up this one. I made like a script on this, like to put the tags here quite easily. So I'm just going to do that. So I'm just going to select all of this because these are all monologue. The character is not talking to anyone else. And TCOS tool wrap this with monologue style. Wrap. Okay, and that's done. Quite easy, right? I'm pretty proud of this little thing. It's quite useful. I think like the private key was this one. Yeah, okay. It doesn't really matter. It's not like you can edit it anyway. Okay, so let's remove this. And so we are here, and now quite easy. I just like to put the same thing. So okay, I'm just going to duplicate this conversation. Okay, here Teo hid out a door. Yeah, I have to keep the 0 here. And what was what was I missing? Old bird nest. Outburn nest. All right. I have this here and here. Oh, just give me. Just going to update this on Unity. Download sheet. Download sheet. Is there like any better way to say shit? Because I feel like I'm just talking about who shit. The Google spreadsheet. I don't know. Alors, so yeah, of course it's not updated here, but it's okay because I have created something to do it automatically. So in this kind of dialogue, in this dialogue, you can choose who's speaking to whom. So yeah, so I just put like the main character here, and that's it. Okay, so let's just do it for the rest. So Old Bird Nest and Old Bird Nest, and I have Mira Proof of Love. Mira Proof of Love. Oh no, I removed everything. My life is a mess. Mira Proof of Love. There's always two line in what I did right. Yeah, there's always two lines. So let's just keep it like this. So it's quite easy here, but sometimes like I need like to create some new text or not. It's not the case here, but it can happen, you know. Maybe I can show you like another dialogue. Like for example, Mira warning. Oh yeah, this was one a long dialogue here. The blue here is like the player choice that we have here, and when you see a green arrow here, it means like something is happening. So it means like once the player reaches this dialogue line, we're going to play this animation, and we are going to set the character expression to this expression. So yeah, pretty funky this one. It was quite long, but yeah, for now that's absolutely not what we have. Okay, let's continue. We have like the pedestal here, and we have the first glyph. First glyph, up. I have to do it to. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Well, I'm going to fix it after. So first glyph, we have the pond. Let's do the last one before, and we have here the Austin. Austin. Let's go. And I made a mistake because I kept the copy word here. Okay, let's go. Copy. And yeah, as I said, we don't have the correct dialogue here because it's not updated. But you know what? I created something pretty neat working with Unity. Keikong, hey! Hello, Kenkung. Kenkung, Instagram sent me here. Hello. Yeah, I read your message. Thank you for all your kind words. It's really like it made me really happy. I've done some streaming while working too, and it was awkward at first, but turned to be fun. Yeah, it's quite fun. I'm having like quite fun doing this. Like I'm mostly yapping to myself, but it's cool. So cool to see this kind of stuff working within Unity. Yeah. So if you have like any thing you want to ask on Unity, you can just do it. And yeah, King. I don't know. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name right, but King Kong here is a musician. I've checked your profile. I'm not following you. Am I a bad guy who's not following you? Let me just fix this. Um, I will find you. Oh, I found you. Let me up. You're a music composer and a guitarist. Okay, nice, pretty neat. So yeah, if you want to have like some music done, just contact him. I'm so hurt. No, don't be hurt. Like I'm following you right now. I think like I'm not that active on Instagram. That's maybe why. Like I'm mostly trying to I'm mostly working on TikTok and on YouTube. That's also why we're doing this stream here. But yeah. So let's continue. So yeah, I have a neat tool that allow me to update directly with the spreadsheet that we saw earlier. Sync from localization sheet. So yeah, it's updated. Still move a bit. Is it working? No. Up. No, it's not. You know what? No, it's written be right back, but it's I'm just going to restart Unity. Sometimes it does that. Like sometimes I have like just to restart the game, the Unity to the what? I'm so hurt. What? 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 Pourquoi? So yeah, so you just have to let's go back to up to this shit because I wanted to fix something else. So just waiting on Unity to load again. User ça brille. Tu dis you know what? J'étais en mode what? What? Haha, just kidding. Is Unity back? Yeah, Unity is back. Okay, so let's try again what I just did. So I'm just using the tool sync from localization sheet, and then we're going to open the localization sheet again. Okay, up, up. Yep, it's working. So here you can see that was the word written in the Google spreadsheet. Nice. Tu dis you know what? J'étais en mode what? What? Je répète ce que tu dis, je suis désolé, je suis complètement du père. Okay, so now that we have the dialog in the direct database, it should work. So it means if we start again the scene, it should be interactable. I guess. I guess it should. Okay, let's try. Up! Whoa, what's happening? Start conversation. On conversation index for ear. Mira proof of love. What's happening? I put wrong conversation. I'm going to show you again right there what's happening. So I have an error here, so I don't have the correct conversation in index. Ah, I know why. It's quite simple. I guess it's quite simple. Let's try again. Just going to put here a breakpoint to see what's happening. And conversation not found. Ah, but it's written here conversation not found in the database. Maybe it's because I don't have the correct name, and that's why I didn't become dev. But you know, like I don't know. I like what I. It's also because I like math. Too much error. Yeah, but I'm not really focused now. Maybe that's why I'm doing maybe a lot of mistake. So Mira proof of love. We have here. This is the name. And the name of the interactive element, let's change the scene here. Oh, oh, it's bright. You like fixing, I like math in general, and I feel like coding is mostly it's not like you need to know like some equation, but I feel like the process of thinking is quite similar to math, and I like this logical thing to do. Uh, so yeah, that's why I love math. Let me check. Let me check what was interactive element here. Mira proof of love. We have like here. Ah, it's because I put an S. Is that the reason why? Mira proof of love. No, it's not the reason. Never gothic. Never got sorry. Never got sorry. Ah yeah. No, but it's maybe because I'm Asian. Ah ah. Think that's the reason why. I didn't put here. Okay, that's the reason why. So now I have to put free roam 2, and I have to put the. That was the reason why it was not working. Okay, I have to do the same. Uh, no, it's not. It's not because of this. Let's try. Let's just try. We'll see. Je passe mon clavier en anglais. Attends. Ah, si t'as fait une fac d'anglais, ça veut dire que ça veut dire que ça C'est-à-dire que tu devrais pas avoir trop de problèmes en anglais. En plus, je t'ai vu écrire quelques commentaires en anglais, donc... Hop, let's try again. Someone waiting here. I think I just messed up. Because if I put 0 here, it means like nothing is going to happen. So I have to remove this. And let's just try again. Up, game. Up. Okay, what's happening? Okay, let me show you the rider. You know, it's not that complicated. Like, I'm write the code. I know that I have an error here, and I will try now to see why I have this error. So conversation index is 0, okay? So it's not the reason why it's not working. It's true. It's true. We have like we have this. So true, false. So no, it's false. So it means like here conversation config dot that's the reason. So it means like in the config we don't have any element here. That's the reason. You know, like it was not that complicated. Okay. Je peux lire. J'essaie de mettre en anglais. Yep. So this is because of the config. Let's go back to the config. Here we are Mira proof of love. It's because the list is empty. That was the reason. Up. Oof. I also admit this script that that write automatically this, and I'm quite proud of it. Like, the goal of a developer is to make your life easier. So it means like you're going to make things so that you don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to do some repetitive work. And like, for example, here, usually what would happen is it was empty, you know, like, and because I didn't want to write it again, I just create a script that made it automatic. So it means like this script currently knows that we are on Act 1. So I'm just going to put it. I'm putting a slash here. I'm putting freerom, so it means we take the two letters, so FR2, and then another slash. And after this, Mira proof of love, which is just the name of the element that we see here. And then after, we start with 0. And if I put here another element, then it's going to be 1. And this is just like I just wrote a script to do it. Oh, quoi ici? Je voulais dire never got the math logic et le T à la sortie gothique. I am sorry, French keyboard. Yeah, I understood afterward. I understand that some people don't like math, but I guess I am. I do. I guess I do. I do love math. But yeah. Do all developers like math? I don't know. Maybe not. But maybe. I think most of them like math at least. Or at least they don't mind it. Okay, so let's just try if this works. And this works. A heart carved in wood. Let's go. Okay, so now we can just go on the left in. Hopla! So we have this up element. It's glowing like it wants me to remember. Let's go. It's working here. The same place. The pedestal, but it doesn't for. Oh, it's not working. It's still. It's not the correct text. Text. Direct sense. Okay, let's try to see why. Pedestal. The same place, but it doesn't fall anymore. No, it's not the correct dialogue. So maybe I just add like mass equal dev, I think. Maybe. Maybe I just made a mistake. I know, okay. I know what I did. You know what? I'm going to show you. It's because I forgot here to put it to 2. That was the reason. So the second text wasn't correct. So let's just fix this up. Okay, cool. Up. I'm not going to say what again. You know what? What? Quite funny, right? And then we can just run the tool. Par contre, les filles, vous allez être crevées si vous n'allez pas dormir demain. Donc, dépêchez-vous d'aller dormir. Okay. Tu. So let's just run the tool up. Okay, so it's fixed. No, but I think my tool to synchronize the Google spreadsheet is not working every time. Okay. But anyway, this is a problem for later and every. Oh, okay. The doll is not working either. What's happening? What's happening? I don't have the doll. Okay. That was I forgot to put the doll. So that's why we don't have a conversation. A dialogue for this. Let's do it. Okay. Up, doll. Why is it not working? Like I know that this tool have some issues sometimes where you have to restart Unity to make it work, but it shouldn't be the case. I fixed it like some days ago. Yeah, it works. Ah, and maybe it's because it was open? No, it should be weird. Okay, we have the doll here. Let's just check if the pedestal is. Ah, but it doesn't feel. No, it was working, just like I misread. Okay, let's go. Ooh, that's why. Yep, that's why. Ah. Okay, so I think like we are quite almost done. I don't know if I should just try to make it. Okay, it's still warm, but now it feels wrong. And here, that shape is the one from the shrine. Okay. And this one is not interactable. Okay, let's just try something else. I don't know what you would like. Hey, it's not going right. It's because of the config, I guess. Because I probably didn't put it here. So we are in Iggy's Grove and right Rune Shrine. It's because no, I should remove this. Yeah, I couldn't go right because of this. Because I said that we have to interact with this element to go right. But I don't want it. I don't want it. And here, yeah, that's a mistake. This should be put here because we come from the right, right? We come from the right, right? So it means like we shouldn't have any condition to go back to the place that we went before. And same here, like here, uh, I think like I just did this quite quickly last time, so that's why it's not set up properly. So now I needed to interact with this true element to go left. So from the root at Scarlet, we're going to the rune shrine. And yeah, so let's try again. And here, okay, yeah, I can go right. And here, I should be able to go right again. And yeah, I have like some issue with the wisp also. Ah, I know what's happening. It's because like I have, yeah. Okay, let's go back here. So there's just one bug that we have is that we can't currently interact with this boy here. Oh, maybe I can show you also another scene. Ah, you're going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you another scene. So you are the first one to see this. So fortunately, you went to this stream because you have the vision of a new key location, which is this one. Oh, I see like some some issue here. It shouldn't be here. It should be like first ground. Okay. These are not supposed to be here. Okay. We have, so this is inside the house that you have seen earlier. Well, it's just this, just like a simple ready to be spoiled. Yeah, again, and again. So yeah, it's not like really that much, but it's inside the house. So at some point, what I will need, so this frame here, it's because you know, like you have seen it. Like I just show you that to go from scene to scene, you have to go left and right. The thing is, um here you don't go left and right. You have like to interact with the door to change the scene and to go outside. So this is why we have like a transparent, like a transparent door frame here. But I haven't implemented this system yet, so this is going to be for another day. Oof. Yep, that's it. So I have like several things. I've been streaming for 1 hour and 30 minutes. I could go for way longer, but yeah. So I have two things that I can do with you. It's either I'm just going to put some NPC here and make them move, or I try to fix the issue with interaction. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Let me show you what I was talking about. So here I have like I'm putting it in is testing kill location because I really want to start the game here, and I've made my test system that no matter the scene you are starting, you're going to go back to the last save that you have. But I don't want this, so that's why I propose something to this. You know, like this is also something that is really important for developer is you really have to be able to test your game easily. So you don't have, like, for example, to like it's a waste of time to every time go to the main to the home scene and then play load the scene to load game and go. So what I did is just like when I play the scene is going to load automatically. So yeah, maybe the NPC. Yeah, why not? Let's go with the NPC. So I think I already have some. Already have one that is supposed to be set up here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just I prepared the button here. So play NPC routine. So the NPC is going to move from left to right. So it depends. Like I have what I did. Okay, I did something pretty simple. It's more like here we have the start and the end position of the NPC. So it means like, oh, maybe I can make it clear for you. Let's go back to Rider. Wow, look at this. I'm using AI a lot for the code. I'm not using it for the art, obviously, but for the code, it's really like a time saver. So let's go to the script of the NPC character. Let's go. We are here. And what I'm just going to tell him, can you display in Gizmo um, the start NPC routine and draw a line between them in Gizmo just to be sure I'm repeating this, just to be sure. I'm not trying to be like that correct with AI because it can pretty much understand everything. And I also want to display the next position that the next target position. How did I call it? I think it was next online. Okay, the next target position online 81 up, and I'm just going to run it. I'm waiting a bit, and yeah, okay, it's not working great. I have to type it again. Ah, la galère. Yeah, sometimes it is that it's really not perfect yet, but you know, sometimes like you just like don't understand the request and I have to type it again. So let's just try it again. I want to display in Gizmo the target position on line 81. I I also want you to display and a line between them. Still in Gizmo. Gizmo, this is something that is used in Unity to display things easily. Uh, I gotta run, but I'm subbed and I can't wait to catch another stream. Thank you, Ken Kong. Like, I hope to see you, yeah, next time. Thank you for following this stream, and I hope you will have a good night or day depending on where you live. Zubi. I always say Zubi to English people. They don't understand it, but sometimes I just explain it. Okay, so last target position. So it means like obviously I'm doing it with AI, but I'm going to check it after because sometimes not doing sometimes it's messed up. So here I want to keep this. I want to remove the comment because it's we don't need it. I think like I can even I don't need this. I can just put it here like this and here. Okay, cool. This is yeah. I I want this, and this is just a script to so draw sphere. So I'm going to draw sphere at this position. I'm going to draw sphere at the end position, and I'm going to draw a line between these two positions. You know, like it's quite easy. And to do like this is something that I could definitely do because it's really like an easy code. It's just like it's going to be way quicker for something that is really not that complicated. So that's why I think like if you are a developer, use AI. Like I don't know, there's not really any reason to not use it. It's just going to make your life way easier. And personally, like for some more complicated things, it's not going to work that well at least for now. But it's okay. Of course, I can still dev without AI. But it's so nice. Okay, cool. It's done. So we're just going. Have a good day, Kane. Yup. Have a good day. Eh ben, Talia, tu disais que t'allais peut-être passer si tu dors pas, et là il est 23h38. Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais? T'étais pas censé aller dormir. Yeah, it's true when you know what you are doing. Exactly, exactly. I like this is not something like if you are a beginner in development. Yeah, there are some things that you need to do it yourself, right? Because like you have to learn code and to understand what you're doing. But like after 10 years of developing, maybe like 12 years of developing, I know what I'm doing mostly. So okay, let me show you what I just did. So it means like if ha. So I just put it up. So it means the character is going to move from this line. So this is the yellow line that you have seen before, and to this sphere. So it's going. I'm going to put the line. It's in yellow here. But I'm also going to put this sphere. So this is the N position. So it means like it's too small. Let's make it bigger. Let's make them bigger, bigger, bigger. Last target position. Up rider. So let's make them bigger so we can put. You know, it's just like to show you. So I can just be a bit extravagant. Let's put 5. You know, we're going to put like a big balls, big balls. The big bad wolf. The big balls wolf. The big balls wolf. But like, what was the name of the artist again? Mais j'ai commencé une tisane aussi maintenant. Alors bon, ouais, j'espère que tu vas kiffer la tisane, hein. C'est vrai. C'est vrai que si t'as commencé ta tisane, tu vas pas aller te coucher maintenant. tout cas, j'espère que tu vas pas te réveiller trop tôt demain matin. Moi, je suis en vacances, moi. Donc, je suis tranquillou bilou. Okay, let's try it again. So, I made some big balls. Wow, look at these balls. Look at these balls. And yeah, when I play... Non, t'inquiète, j'ai quitté mon taf. Ah, t'as quitté le taf pour le jeu? Ou... Mais non, mais le taf, ton taf, tu faisais pas des illustrations pour les conventions? Ou ça c'était à côté? J'ai pas suivi toute ta vie, je suis désolé. Peut-être que tu l'as utilisé sur tes vidéos, mais j'avoue, vu que je taffe beaucoup sur mon jeu, je suis pas trop... Je suis sur TikTok pour poster mes vidéos, quoi. Donc, so, the character is going to move from here to... Whoa, it's going to go far. I think it's going to go here. It's not supposed to go at the extreme point, but apparently it did. So this is just a coincidence. Okay, yeah. Yes, that was just a coincidence. So what I did is a pretty simple system. T'es à côté, mais t'inquiète. Ok, non, mais t'inquiète, on en parle pas forcément ici. So what I did here is I put the start position and the end position. The start position is a green ball here, sphere. Maybe sphere is... No, I would say ball. It's a ball. We shouldn't be shy in using this kind of words. Ce serait un peu chaud que tu saches tout. J'ai pas tout dit en une même vidéo, je crois. Ah, ouais, je comprends. Mais si on se parle un peu plus, peut-être que tu me tiendras au courant. Il y a le temps pour la tisane. Yep. So, and the red sphere here is the end position. Here. And what I did is I tell this character to go from one to select a random point here and just to go there. And once, like for example, it goes there, and after waiting for a bit, so it's going to wait like between 1 and 6 seconds. So this is going to be random to like put some kind of random factor. And after this, just a minute, I'm going to mute. Okay, so sorry for this moment. So that's just the simple system that I did for the NPC. I think it's quite enough because it's an NPC after all. So do we need to do something more creative than this? I don't think so. But if you have any idea, just tell me. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to put other NPC, right? Okay, let's do this. So let's put, for example, this one up. And this character, so it's a girl with green eyes. Look at her, isn't she beautiful? I'm not sure that the color are the definitive one. So let me show you how this work. We have this character which is, yeah, here. So we got. Is she not like transparent? Ah, it's transparent because she is. She is. Why is she here? Because. Okay. But I'm not going to. I'm going to place her. I don't know. Where should I place her? Let's work a bit bigger. Je vois que le code. Ah putain. Ah, I'm so sorry. I've been showing like. I've been. I forgot to. I did like my explanation on. Okay, let's do it again because I think I want to clip this. So I'm going to show you again what I was saying. So désolé Talia, on va avoir un petit peu de répétition. Okay, let's try it again because apparently I completely messed up. So the simple system that I put for to make the NPC character move from one space to another is this one. So I have like the big ball, the big green ball here that is set in here. So this is the start position of the green ball. The red ball is the end position, and I tell the character to take like a random point between them, and then after this it's going to wait between 1 and 6 seconds. That are the values that I put here. So I can change all this value here, and that's it. And I don't think that we need to do something any different for the NPC. So I'm pretty quite satisfied. It's like already giving like a bit of life because like the character is moving like freely here. So to me it's enough. But yeah. So let's just do this for more character. Est-ce que tu utilises les balls pour tout du coup? Non, les balls, so the balls that I that I used was just to show you here, but it was just like personally I don't need like to put like for example, uh, I'm going to put the character here. It's already at the green ball, so I don't use them quite often because I don't need. Like I just need like to know that the character is going to go from this point to another. But just like for you viewer to have to just make it easier for you to see this. Okay, so let's place a woman here. Yeah, it's in 2D. It's in 2D, but like we have in fact different layer here to separate everything. But I always work like this. So this woman, where are we going to put here? I have like I feel like there's an issue with her. Why is she not displayed? Okay. So how it works to like to make uh to display something on top of each other. So I have like this order in layer, this number. So the higher the number is, the higher the priority. And we have like different sorting layer. So for everything that is set up in background 00 is going to be put behind. So for example, if I put this character behind, whoop, she's going to be seen here. And because like it's still shown in front of is still shown in front of this tree, and this is because of the order layer. But if I reduce this number, you see like the character is progressively disappearing. So yeah, so I just need like to change this number and the sorting layer, and should be enough. So let us decide where we put this. Where are we going to move her? I would like someone to be behind, like so for example here, I'm going to put her behind here. I'm going to reduce the scale because of course she's too big. Let's change the background before. So background 00. So it's displayed behind the house. It's displayed behind the hostel and behind this house, so it's okay. And I want it okay. So she's going to move from here and here. Ah, enfin un truc que je connais de Photoshop, les layers. Yeah, the layer, it's quite the same thing on Photoshop and all artistic art software. So I'm going to make her a bit smaller. So I just change the scale here. Is she like too big? Like for example, if I make her move here, but I think it's easier to put it here. Just like it's a bit painful that we show. Like let's just remove this. Okay, cool. So it's going to move from here to here. Ça va, elle paraît loin. Is it like, isn't she too big? I don't know. No, I think it's good. It's good. It's good. Let's do it. Okay. Si si elle est too big ou si elle est pas too big? Too big? On met, we can put 0.4 maybe? Attends, elle arrive sous le toit de base ou pas? Bah non, mais en gros, elle est juste derrière, quoi. Elle passe de... She just like go from this point to this point. Elle arrive sous le toit de base. Mais de quel toit, celui-là? No, no, I want her to be displayed in front of this house and behind this too. I think 0.5 was a bit better. Parce que si elle arrive peut-être niveau de toit de fond, faut que ça soit pareil derrière, donc plus petit. Ouais, mais en fait, the thing is, we don't know how far she is from this house. So I don't think like it really matter. I think I'm pretty good like this. So like, okay, let's do this. So this character is going to start from this position. That's what I'm going to. I just messed up. I just messed up because I moved the character skeleton. So okay, let's go. So let's do it again. I'm going to revert my changes. Up, up. Okay. So she is here. And what I need to move is her character. Sinon, si tu sais pas, ça choque pas. Ouais, je pense aussi. On va le faire. Ok, let's do it again. Hop, hop, hop. Il y a un problème de lumière, j'ai l'impression là par contre. Mais ça, c'est pareil, ça va être un problème pour plus tard. So she's going to go from this position. That's what I did. Up, up. This position, and she's going to go to this one. Up, 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 up. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Let's try it. So I'm just going to activate this character. Oh, I forgot something. So I put also some ground. So let me show you the ground. So I have the limit, the left, right limit, and I also have the ground limit. And the thing is, the ground limit is set to here. And what I did is I made it so that all characters are supposed to be on top of this ground. The thing is, here for the NPC character, I don't need them to be on top of this box collider, which serve as the ground. The box collider is the green, the big green rectangle that you see. So, what I will do is quite simple. It's just like I'm going to deactivate. I'm going to deactivate the gravity. So let's do this. So I'm going to go to the villager and I'm going to work on this. So the rigid body is something that will handle the gravity. What I will just do is I will put I will just remove simulated and oh je vois mais tu peux et le gravité et le ah la gravité carrément ouais c'est ça c'est la gravité parce que like what we saw is like we saw the character spawn and after it was on top and after it reaches the ground. But I will just like remove the gravity on the character itself. Like the simulation of the character itself. So let's try. No, I think it's not simulated. I don't remember which one it is, but I think it was um gravity scale. No, oh no, which one was it? Mass? No, it's not mass. I think it was gravity scale to remove the gravity. Let's try to -3. Okay, so if I do this, the character is maybe supposed to. Okay, he's not moving anymore. Nice, that's absolutely not what I wanted. No, it's not gravity scale. What is it? Ah, I think it's. I can just freeze the position. Okay, I got it. I got it. So I'm just going to freeze the position in Y because I don't like I don't need the character to move it weirdly. So I'm going to do it for all the NPC. So it's quite simple. What I will do is just do so I revert this, and what did I say? No, it's freeze position. So well, this is like pretty complicated, but what I did is like all the NPC is going to follow this character. So if I change it on this one, it's also going to be changed on the other. So okay, I have like this woman here, and she's going to. It should work now. Don't forget to drink water, artisan. Okay, and let's play the routine. Okay, it's working. Voyons, j'ai l'impression qu'il essaie de fuir le cadre pendant que tu parles. Il a un problème lui. Ah no, I still have an issue apparently. No, I have some issue and I know what it is. It's because we have a collision between these two NPCs, so I just need like to remove the interaction between them. But this is quite simple. I just like to remove the interaction between two NPC character, and that's it. And and the artisan is good. Artisan is great. And let's try it again. So they were colliding with each other earlier, but it shouldn't be the case here. Yep, working just fine. Okay, okay. Should I put another NPC? Maybe I can put another NPC who will do the same. Let's put like another woman, like this one. She's going just. I'm just going to copy the value here to this one. And she's going to do the same thing. This one is supposed to have like a different a different clothes. Yep. Oh, but why doesn't she have any? She doesn't have any shoes. What the fuck? And does she have? Wow. Why don't they have shoes? I should tell something to the artist. He has shoes. Well, this one doesn't, but it's on purpose. Okay, so we need yeah, we need some shoes. They are going to hurt themselves. So let's not do this. Let's be a bit like let's think about the wellness of their feet. And maybe we can put another character. Another character. Can we put it here behind, or maybe we can put someone here working in front. I'm afraid that if it's in front, it's going to be like too weird. So let's not do this. But maybe like I can put one. Mais des bottes en train de sécher sur le feu. Ouais. Mais attends, ça c'est pas un feu ça. Si tu parlais de ça. Et ouais, peut-être qu'on peut mettre des bottes. Alors, so we're going to put another character, this one. And he's going to be I don't know. I don't know. Like she's here, and maybe I can put it one working just in front of the house. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to set this to what I up. Ah, I know what's happening with the like 2D. So I have like this like 2D, but but I think I'm just going to remove this light. They are not necessary. So that's why they had like a weird color before. Elle, tu lui mets des brins d'air pour pas voir les pieds sinon. No, but de toute façon, in any case, we're going to put some boots. Like, they absolutely have no reason to not have boots. But yeah, as I said, like, it exists, and we're going to make it better afterwards. So let's put this character, like, okay, he's too small. Okay, up, here, up, up. We're going to make it to make him walk just in front of this. So he's passing through this, but it's because like I have a high. So let's just put it to 66, and she's going, and then he's going to be behind the woman. Quoi, j'ai c'est ce qui va devoir chausser tout le monde. Bah ça va, hein, c'est juste deux meufs et en fait les meufs ce sont les mêmes, donc on utilise le même skin. Enfin c'est non justement, c'est deux skins différents, mais en soi c'est le même modèle, donc en soi il a juste besoin de le faire qu'une seule fois. Okay, so just here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so no, up. I forgot because I had to. Uh, it's not the skeleton animation that I need to change. It's this. Okay, so up, 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 up. Ça va, il y en a que deux. Yes. In, up, and up, up, up. Okay, I placed all my NPC. I still have two, but they don't have like a different skin for now, and I think like 4 NPC is enough. I think I also need to put some. They're not moving. But I think I know. They're not moving because I did not press the button. You know, like I use the parallax effects here to make behind move, and I think I need to put some parallax effect to this character too. Or do I? Let's see. I'm just going to try to make them walk. So how does it look like? Let's check here instead. Hey, she's working pretty fast. Ah, they're working faster because they are behind. It's a bit weird to have the parallax effects. I think I'm just going to add some parallax to these characters later. Well, I don't have any issue for this one. Yeah, I'm just going to put some parallax effects. But I think I can just stop the stream here. Like, I've been streaming for 2 hours. I think it's enough. I could. And yeah, I'm just. Yeah, it's enough. So I know, like, I have some issues to fix, but I don't think it's going to be that complicated. But, like, together today, we implemented the pre-room 2 scene, which is like a nice progress. I'm just going to finalize it by myself this week, I guess. And yeah, I think I will. I will definitely do another stream because I had a great time. Thank you, Talia Chan, for sticking with me for 2 hours. Let's see myself. And yeah, maybe at some point, as I said at the beginning, we're going to test some indie dev. Et ouais, déjà 2 heures. C'est yeah, 2 hours, like it went so quickly. Yep. Um, and yeah, I don't know what to say more, so I don't know what to add. Uh, did I forget something? I'm just going to check if on my note if I wanted to say anything else, but I think we're done. Now we're done. We're done. I don't know when I will be streaming next time. I guess maybe next week. No, I don't think. I think next time is going to be in 2026. I don't know. We will see. I will tell you. I will tell you on my social media. So I'm mainly on yes, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you will have a good night or maybe a good day, depending on what time you watch this stream or VOD. Thank you. Goodbye. Bonne nuit, Talia.